Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joshua Sana. Today I'm going to talk about how to style your short bob. So I'm going to show the procedure right now. So stay tuned. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and touch that notification bell icon. Okay, let's go back to the video. So first, I wash my hair. It's very short. So right now it's very dry, and don't forget to use your heat protection mist. This is from TONI&GUY and I really love this heat protection mist. So right now I'm just going to spray it on my hair. And yeah, it's done. Don't use your heat without your heat protection. Okay, now I'm going to use my hair dryer. Before styling your hair, any hair, you need to dry your hair like a little bit, like 70% you need to dry your hair. And I'll show the product what I'm going to use today to style my hair. And this is from AGARO. And right now I'm going to use sorry, it's too noisy. I'm going to use this. Okay, so I'm going to use this and okay, right now my hair is 70% dry. Okay, and it look like this right now. And I'm going to use the tool called Allen Trauma. This is a very famous one. I'll link this product in the description. Please check out. This is available in Nika in different colors as well. And see, if you don't know how to blow dry in a traditional method, and this is very easy to blow dry, but I'm going to warn you, because don't use this method every day. When you are occasionally you're going out for a date or you're going out for a function or something like that, you can do this. But every day if you do this, your hair is gonna break down. So I will do this method occasionally. So that's one thing. Okay, right now I'm going to start with the highest temperature. Okay, so first take the section and I'm going to pull this hair. Basically everyone used to hold this hair inside, but I actually do it in the outside because I don't want to damage my hair more. So I just give this, just like a brush, I use this in a brush method. Okay, so I'll show you that method, how it works. That's it. Right now, that's it. I styled my hair. It's like a short bob, so that's how it looks like right now. Ignore the back side, I guess. Ignore the back side. Right now the front view is like this, and I'm ready to go now. Yeah, that's it guys for today. And if you want video like this, please comment and share this video to your friends, and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. That's it guys, this is my hair, this is my final look. I hope this is useful, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Click that notification icon, that button, so that you won't miss my next video. So until then, it's bye from me, Joshua Sana. Take care of your hair as well. Bye bye.